This video is sponsored by Educast. Educast is the most famous and digital marketing combo course. This course available in Tamil and English.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to EduQuest, where learning is made just for you. At EduQuest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with EduQuest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
आज का टॉपिक क्या है? शरीर के अंग. आज का टॉपिक क्या है? शरीर के अंग. Say all of you, शरीर के अंग. We will learn parts of the body in Hindi. In Hindi, parts of the body in Hindi. Highbrow, bow. Highbrow, bow. Highbrow, bow. Next, what is this? ये क्या है? Leg, पैर. Leg, पैर. Say all of you, leg, पैर. Yes. Next, ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? Knee, घुटना. Knee, घुटना. Knee, घुटना. Say all of you, knee, घुटना. Next, ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? Foot, पाँव. Foot, पाँव. What do you say for foot? पाँव. Foot, पाँव. Next what it comes, we'll see. What? Toe, पैर का अंगूठा. Toe, पैर का अंगूठा. Toe, पैर का अंगूठा. Next, ये क्या है? What is this? Heel, एड़ी. Heel, एड़ी.
पहला उंगली है अंगूठा. अंगूठा, thumb. अंगूठा. What is this? अंगूठा. अंगूठा is thumb. Thumb, अंगूठा. अंगूठा. Come on, say. अंगूठा. अंगूठा, thumb. Thumb is known as अंगूठा in Hindi. अंगूठा. Come on, say. अंगूठा. What is that? अंगूठा. अंगूठा, thumb. अंगूठा, thumb. Next one, index finger. For index finger, what we are saying? Tarjani. Tarjani. Tarjani is index finger. Index finger, tarjani. Tarjani, index finger. First one, angutha. Second one, tarjani. Tarjani, index. Tarjani, index finger. Index finger is known as tarjani. First one, angutha, tarjani. Now, middle finger is known as madhyama. Middle finger is known as madhyama. What is it? Madhyama. Madhyama, middle finger. Madhyama, middle finger. So what are the three we learn? Angutha, tarjani and madhyama. Madhyama is known as middle finger in English. In Hindi, madhyama. Madhyama, middle finger. Madhyama, middle finger. Angutha, tarjani or madhyama. The fourth one is anamika. Anamika, ring finger. What will you say for ring finger? Anamika. Anamika is known as ring finger in English. Anamika, ring finger. Now you say all the four together. Angutha, thumb. Tarjani, index finger. Madhyama, middle finger. Anamika, ring finger. Anamika, ring finger. So, angutha, tarjani, madhyama, anamika. Okay, now the last finger is theni. What is that? Theni little finger. Tiny, little finger. Tiny, little finger. Angutha, Tarjani, Madhyama, Anamika and Teni. Okay, Angutha, Tarjani, Madhyama, Anamika और Teni. ये 5 हैं. These are the name of fingers in Hindi. These are the Hindi names for fingers. For fingers, what will you say? Anguli. Fingers, anguli. Fingers, anguli. Then nail is known as nakhun. Nail is known as nakhun or nak also we can say. Nak or nakhun. Nak or nakhun. What are the fingers name we learned today? Angutha, thumb. Tarjani, index finger. Madhyama, middle finger. Anamika, ring finger. And Teni, little finger. Finally, what we see? Nakhun, nail. Nakhun, nail. Okay, so